Hi guys, welcome back to the Nail Nails channel. If you were here yesterday, you'll have seen part 1 of this video, which was Mary the Snail, and now we're doing his girlfriend. So we're going to start with exactly the same base as we done yesterday with the ombre and our sponge. Now I'm going in with the colour Periwinkle to create Mary's shell. To start off, I'm just mapping out the shape of what I want her shell to be, and then when I'm happy with that, I'll fill it in with the same colour. And that's going to go in the lamp for 60 seconds before we go in with our second coat of Periwinkle, just making sure it's a nice opaque colour. For our next colour, I'm taking Blue Reflection, and I'm going to use this to create Mary's body. So I'm just going along the shell. And I'm just going in and making sure to give her a little head. And adding in those long stalks that her eyes are going to sit on top of. I'm going to go in with Perfect Pistachio, and this is going to go right underneath where we've just placed Blue Reflection, and it's going to give us that shadow and just make our body look a little bit more 3D and a little bit more realistic. With these lines, you don't want them straight, you want them to have a little bit of texture to them, just so it looks more realistic. I'm going in with a Snow White and Neon glow in the dark pigment powder. Those are mixed together on a palette, and this is what's going to create her eyes. I'm just taking my time with the shape and making sure they're exactly how I want them to be before popping them in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. just pop another layer of that same mixture on top. Going in with glass and half, and I'm just going in from the outer corner of Mary's shell and dragging this round in a spiral shape. Again, just make sure you're taking your time with this. The next colour I'm taking is Ocean Ridge, and I'm going to be using this with a dotting tool again and creating those little 4 dots up the side of Mary's shell. These are a bit more oval shaped rather than circular shaped, so you don't have to be too perfect and precise with these. And that same colour is going to be the coloured part of her eyeballs. Now I'm taking Prima, and I'm going to be using this on a dotting tool, and this is to create a little bow at the top of Mary's shell. I'm taking my liner brush in that same colour and just making 2 little triangles on either side of that dot, and that's what's going to give us our bow. With the colour Trixie, I'm just going to be using that on the bow, just a little dot in the middle, and then I'm going to use a tiny little liner brush just to drag out some feathered lines, and this is going to give the bow that realistic effect and make it look more 3D rather than flat. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to pop it in the lamp, and now I'm going in with top coat. This is just to seal all that design into place and give us a nice smooth base ready for our black line work. Here I am taking Serious Black, and I'm going to be using this colour to go around every single part of Mary's little body. Her eyes, her body, her shell. This is just really going to make everything pop and just bring the whole design together. after giving her some eyelashes, I'm going to pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm going in with jar of heart and a dotting tool, and I'm just going to create 2 little dots right next to each other and then another 2 further down. I'm going to be going in with that same colour and a liner brush and just dragging those dots together to make a point in the middle further down. This is going to create our little love hearts to add that Valentine's Day effect. In the lamp. And now the final step, I'm going in with top coat, putting this all over the entire nail. And in the lamp she goes. This is our finished Mary, and she will be with her boyfriend Gary in a short moment. And there you have it. This is our happy Valentine's Day couple together. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks. Bye.